Introducing Ekidel Flat Slab Design Masterclass. Now, on this masterclass, you are going to learn how to professionally analyze, design, and detail a real-life office building project using ProtaStructure. Now, this Ekidel masterclass is not just a theory. You are going to work on a complete real-life office building project, beginning from the architectural concept through the structural analysis to do the structural detailing, then the structural checking and making your engineering justification, and then the structural detailing. Now you can see that is why we arranged this masterclass to be throughout the month of June. So you will have enough time to practice, come back for the next masterclass, and then ask your questions where you are confused, and we will walk you through on that. And by the end of this masterclass, which is the 4 weekends of June, you will be able to effectively perform a flat slab design efficiently by yourself. You will also enjoy live interactive weekend training sections, the project files, and the recordings so that you can watch them later. And also for the VIP package, you will also enjoy direct support even after the masterclass has ended. You can be you enjoy a 6 months direct support on your design projects. I have designed more flat slab system than a beam system. That's because of how simple a flat slab can be once you understand the whole principles and concepts of designing a flat slab. So I'll be showing you this myself throughout this masterclass. I'll be the one teaching this masterclass section throughout the month of June. So I will urge you to secure your spot and move your structural engineering design career into the next level. So register now and master real-life flat slab design using ProtaStructure and manual principles. See you on the masterclass, and then bye for now.